the most beautiful places in the world, a Sicilian concentrate, nature, sea, and history in almost 10 kilometers spread over the sea.
24 degrees!
Nature, sea, and history raised to the nth power. Let's start our exploration. Jack Fly, our drone, follows us from above. This archaeo-naturalistic reserve has several entrances. We start from the southern one, a step away from the beautiful village of Marzamemi. It's a beautiful sunny day in November. After about a kilometer, we arrive at the Cittadella of the Vendicari, a Byzantine area dating from the 6th century. We follow the path behind the sea and arrive at the catacombs. We go in.
Oh my God, it's very big and wonderful.
Just beyond here is another testimony of the Byzantine period, a splendid trigona, a typical church just behind the sea.
It's wonderful.
The prickly pears look great in this picture of Sicily, sea, nature, and history. Let's go back to the race. A few steps beyond there is a bird-watching rubble. This is the first bug, a mirror of seawater trapped by the earth. Vendicari is full of these sea mirrors, where birds wintering are earthen. We are in one of the most important places in the world for migrating birds.
The power of nature, of the sun of Sicily.
Here at Vendicari, there are several species of birds that rest during their migratory journey to northern Europe in spring or to the African continent in winter. Sicily is a so-called bottleneck, a migratory staging area.
The wonderful world of the ants. I love ants.
Let's take the race back. By George, the water has slipped into the path. It is practically impossible to continue.
Water along the path. Okay, this is the only way.
The only thing we can do is to circumvent the obstacle and go back and take the street of the beach. We're back in the main path. Nothing stops us.
I have taken the main track again.
A couple of people to chat with. It's always hard to explain to people that I'm not a madman who wants to bother them. Hi, I'm a Sicilian rider and I'm describing my region running blah blah
Thank you very
blah.
much and see you.
Hey, there's another observation bell. Let's see a little. I'm not good, but I think those are grey herons. Once again, nature wins and kidnaps me. Vendicari is a pocket oasis, a well of the Arab era, 10th century, a Swabian tower of 1400 that warned the Sicilians of the arrival of the pirates. Next to it, a tap for the processing of the fish of the Greek era and a little over the tuna trap of 1700. A history book in a few square meters, a classic here in Sicily. This island is implacable in its greatness. The power of history and nature here in Vendicari are extraordinary.
A big hug from Vendicari. It's a wonderful place. Ciao!
Luck is on our side and gives us a breathtaking flight of some flamingos right above our heads. Once again, the heart fills with wonder and the head empties out of matter, of stupid matter. Oh, my body releases energy from all pores. Here I just arrived to the beach of Calamosche, a paradise. November in Sicily is still summer. I go back to my race. Let's see what those two explorers have to say. Always if you are not afraid of my physical condition, that I have become with the race under the sun, to say the least, it's embarrassing. Hi, I'm a Sicilian writer and I'm describing my rigid running blah blah blah.
Great. Yeah.
Where are you from?
From Austria.
From Austria. In Austria it's not possible.
Innsbruck. No.
Okay.
So we started in snow when we came here.
Incredible.
We started, yeah. 3 days ago.
2 days ago.
3 days ago it was. Yeah.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Hello, I'm a journalist. Can I ask you what is this?
Sandcastle.
A castle?
Yeah, sandcastle.
What?
A sandcastle.
So it's cold now in your town.
Very close where we're here.
Cannoli.
Cannoli.
With ricotta.
Yes.
Not chocolate.
Not chocolate.
Okay, ricotta. Okay. Grazie. Ciao.
Smashing tip! The cannolo is a typical Sicilian pastry. It is stuffed in many ways, but the real cannolo is the one with the ricotta.
I run and look at sea, birds, sky and horizon. I arrive almost at the end of the reserve. I'm missing the last step.
Okay. Birds.
By George, the river has enlarged and the last trap that separates me from the beach of the Loro, the coveted destination, is flooded.
Okay, let's try. I put my mobile here inside. Mamma mia.
I have to go back. No way. A providential bucket will become the lifeboat of my cell phone, while me and the GoPro will stick in the water.
Super crazy. Let's try. Oh my god.
But it's full of mud. Okay, I did it. I deserve a nice bath before visiting the last great masterpiece of Vendicari, the ruins of the Greek city of Loro. Greetings from one of the most beautiful places in the world. I ran the history.
Hello everyone, I'm Giovanna Battaglia, and I'm Sicilian, but I was born and lived several years in America. But the love for Sicily brought me back to this island. I am dedicating a good part of my life to the diffusion of the cultural, customs, and habits of my population. I'm doing it together with my illustrious colleagues of the Cultural Department of Smashing Sicily. We support ourselves with the love of those who follow us. And I'm asking you to make a donation in order for us to continue to live and for you to continue to watch us. Go to www.smashingsicily.com on the support page or contact us. It's very simple. Thank you very much and hope to hear from you soon.